the running back Spiller is.
Wide open man. A flick into the end zone by Jerome Simpson. Oh, goodness. You'll be seeing that one the rest of today, into tomorrow, the entire week. It's one thing to leap over a guy. It's another thing to finish the flip on your feet.
Well, you don't get style points in the NFL, but that ought to be worth 8. I mean, my goodness, that is. I just hope the league doesn't come back and outlaw this. This is outstanding. He wanted to look at the ups on this guy, and then to land on, he nails it. That would have been a 10-0 in the Olympics.
Mary Lou Retton would be proud, indeed. But we understand the East German judge made it a 9. That's pretty good.